Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video, we will learn how to log into your Citi card. Now before that, do not get confused. You will need to create a separate account to access your Citi card. If you have a credit card or a debit card of Citibank, what you need to do is just log in into your Citibank online banking account. From this, you can access your credit card or apply for credit card and do anything related with credit card from your normal Citibank online banking account. So I will teach you how you guys can log in into your account. Alright. So follow these steps, but before that, if you guys are new here, do subscribe our channel and let's move on. To log in this account, firstly open up any web browser on your computer. Now there search for Citibank and hit the enter. Make sure it will take you to the right website www.citi.com. Just click that link. It will take you to the official website of Citibank. You can see the sign-on option on the right side of your screen. Now to access your Citibanking, just simply enter your user ID over here. Similarly, password over here. Just to confirm your password, just click on I icon. If you want to remember your user ID, just click on remember user ID. If you want to apply for Citibanking, just click on register or activate. And if you forgot your user ID or password, just click on forgot user ID or password. Once you click on sign on, you can access your credit card from the credit card section. If you found this video informative, just comment down below. This much for today guys. Thank you so much for watching.